It's something you may not want to think about, but it's better to plan right now while you still can. Today, we're talking about wills and estate planning. It's something to not ignore and put off. This next segment has been sponsored by Senior Planning Solutions and Securus. And joining me is Brian Quinn, attorney at law. He's also a certified elder law attorney. Brian, thanks so much for being here with us today.
And thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course. And I mean, we all have heard that word, a will. What is the purpose of the will?
You know, it's one of the first things that I always talk about with my clients when they come in, because I find that while it's your document that's most associated with estate planning, it's also a bit misunderstood in that a lot of people come into my office saying, you know, I put this will in place years ago or maybe recently, and it's something that's signed, it's witnessed, it's notarized, it tells exactly what I want to have happen with my estate. So I feel like my estate plan's in a pretty good position. And one of the things that is a pretty common misconception there is the only time that you ever need to use a will is if you're ever forced to go through the court-ordered probate process after you pass away. So while many people think that a will may avoid that process, it's actually something where if you ever use it, you're going through the probate process. And
it's not just one and done, right?
Right,
and
exactly.
You talked about that probate process. Why do you go through probate?
So probate acts on a couple different things. For some of us parents out there with minor children, if we pass away, we need the court to appoint someone to take care of our children for us. So wills for people with minor children are very, very important to have so we know who's going to raise them. But the other reason that you go through probate is with your assets. If you pass away with anything titled in your name individually without some set of instructions on where it's supposed to go, then those assets kind of go into this state of legal limbo, and we don't really know who's supposed to receive them, absent the court giving someone an order as directed by that will to distribute those assets also as directed by that will.
And that will is so important. That's why it comes into play when it goes to the courts. And I mean, why does a will not avoid probate?
Because the only real purpose of it is kind of leaving a message to a probate court. It's kind of like penning a note to them saying, this is what I want you to do. I want you to make things easy on the individual I have appointed to administer my estate. I want this person to administer my estate. I want my estate to be divided in these ways. But it doesn't actually avoid ever needing to go through the probate process, because the entities like banks and financial institutions or the Recorder of Deeds office, absent an order, again as directed by that will as to the court as to how to order the estate to be distributed, they don't really know what to do with those assets. So they're waiting for someone to file the will with the probate court, get an order that they can take control of those assets, and then distribute them according to what that will says.
Bada bing, bada boom.
There you go.
Well, I've learned a little bit from you today, and if you're at home and you're watching and you might need a little bit of assistance when it comes to estate planning, look no further than Circle of Advisors. All you have to do is give them a visit online at circleofadvisors.com. You can also give them a call, 636-720-1900, or you can just shoot them an email. That email is right there on your screen. All you have to do is email info@securusnow.com, or you can call for an appointment today. Thanks again for being here.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Don't go anywhere, St. Louis. We'll be right back in just a couple of minutes.